Hey friends, today in this video I will show you how we can count the number of enabled users or number of enabled computers in your Active Directory. So there are the two methods which you can follow to counting these all details. Either you can go on your Active Directory users in computer snapping, and here you will go on every organizational unit and you can count the enabled users. So this is very difficult when you are just counting like multiple users in big organizations, and you have more than like 5,000 or 6,000. So this is very difficult. Similarly, if you just want to also count the number of enabled computers in your Active Directory, so this is very difficult graphically. So what you will do, you will use a PowerShell script that will help you to export all users and computers in your Active Directory. Then you will apply the filters and then you can count the number of users which are enabled or number of computers which are enabled. But I will show you a PowerShell command that will help you to just count the number of enabled users in your Active Directory. So I'm going to open the PowerShell ISC, and here I will open the PS1 file which I just created and will execute one by one. First I will show you how to count the number of users and then further for number of computers as well. Now I'm going to select this PowerShell command. So basically what exactly it is doing, like Get-ADUser. So this is a PowerShell command that will just fetch the number of fetch the AD users in your Active Directory, and this will just use a filter. So this will use a condition. This will check the condition of your user objects. If user is enabled, then only this will fetch the details, and then this will this is a count. So this count will use to check the number of users which are enabled. So I'm going to select this one and going to execute also. Now I will select this option, run selection. So this will execute only this PowerShell command. This will not execute the second PowerShell command that will use for checking the number of enabled computer. So now there are the three users which are currently enabled in my Active Directory. I am going to verify this. So this is test user 1 is disabled. Now I will go. So there are the two users, and third user is inside the users OU, and this is the default administrator account. So this is also enabled. That's why this has just given number of account is 3 over here. If I'm going to enable this account, and then I will execute this command again. Refresh. Now I will execute this again. Now you can see the count has just increased. Now it's a 4. Similarly, I will execute this PowerShell command and we'll see like what exactly it is, just showing the number of computers which are enabled. Now this has just given number of enabled computers are 2. I will go in Active Directory and will go on the computers OU. So currently one computer is PC01, and 2 computers are disabled over here, and the second computers inside the DC01 inside the domain controller OU. So this is the method which you can just follow to count the number of users as well as computers in your Active Directory. Thank you for watching this video.